Hey Bill, James over here at BMR Parts and Marine. Going to send you a video on that 50 horse. Sorry about that, our camera was a little broke yesterday. We'll fire this thing up, show you it's pumping good water, run it up for you. Kind of got a contraption here because we use it on many different motors, so just kind of ignore all this stuff. It's all good though. You're going to smoke a little bit, we're running oil a little thick on her, plus you're getting oil out of the tank, so. And neutral, reverse, so she's running a little rich right now. Tilt and trim, and you also have a tilt and trim switch on this side. Back into neutral, shut her off. If you want to bring that camera around here, Carl, I want to show him the kind of type of plug I was talking about on the for the harness for your control box. This would be the harness we were talking about. If you give me a chance here, I'll shut it off. And the reason it's popping, Bill, you hear it, it's loading up because, like I said, we run oil in our gas, plus we have an onboard oil tank, so it's getting kind of double oil right now. So she's going to be a little loaded up on you, but that'd be the harness. This would be your motor side. This would be the boat side. And then you just have your blue and your green for your tilt and trim. And that's what you would be getting. And like I said, you got a tilt and trim switch here. The oil tank, which we would empty out the oil tank before we send it to you because we can't ship stuff with a bunch of oil in it in case it breaks or something like that. And that's what you'd be getting. If you're interested in it, give us a call, talk to Carla or Jimmy. 952-894-4888. Thanks, Bill. Appreciate your patience.